to delete other storage in Android phone. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open File Manager. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. You'll find storage on bottom. From here, you'll find all your internal storage. If you want to delete all, simply select one and you'll find select all option on top right. Simply select all, then click on delete option located on top right beside select all and three dot option. You can also select only one file and then delete. And doing this, you can simply delete other storage in Android phone. This is how to delete other storage in Android phone. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I'm Sophia signing off. Until next time.